The Fischer FH2. Strong, secure and aesthetic anchoring. Whatever you're mounting, the FH2 with its different head styles fits elegantly to every situation. Drilling with standard or hollow drill. Suction. Hammer. Tighten. Done. An easy and low-force assembly. High shear load bearing capacity thanks to the ideal design between bolt and sleeve. The plastic sleeve prevents rotation of the anchor, ensuring safe expansion. A controlled cone expansion is guaranteeing safety in cracked concrete. Powerful and aesthetic. Visually pleasing with various head styles and guaranteed secure thanks to the many approvals, including for applications in earthquake regions. The intelligent internally threaded anchor with installation advantages in cracked concrete. The FH2 with internal thread. Whatever you want to fix, the FH2 with its different head styles adjusts ideally to the application. Discreet with hexagonal head. Flush with a surface with countersunk head. Stable and robust with cap nut. And for possible dismantling with nut and thread bolts. The Fischer FH2. Strong, secure and aesthetic anchoring.